Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. A hot bowl of soup is so comforting during winters. Today let's see how to make this Lung Fung Soup. Into a pan add some oil, saute some ginger and garlic. Add some spring onion whites and saute it. Into that add in some minced chicken, mix and cook the chicken. Add some salt and pepper for the chicken and mix it. Now add chicken stock. So this stock already has salt and pepper, so check the salt and add accordingly. And while the soup is boiling, into another bowl add 2 eggs. Separate the egg yolks. For this recipe, we need only the egg whites. Now start blending the egg whites till you get stiff peaks. And it's ready, so this is how you test it. When you flip the bowl, it should not fall off. Now take a spoonful of this egg white, and here I'm trying to give a shape for the egg whites, and then drop it in hot soup. Give it a slight mix, then slowly flip it, and the egg whites will get cooked in this hot soup. So after adding the egg whites, boil it for 5-10 more minutes, and then our soup is ready. While serving the soup, these egg whites will float on top of the soup and it looks so beautiful and tempting. So definitely try out this hot Lung Fung soup at home and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.